So in the skeleton code, you already know you're going to expect many different subroutines appearing here, being functions or procedures. Normally, when people look at code, they want to read it line by line, starting up from the top. It's a very bad idea because it's not going to make any sense. The best way to really understand code is to read the code in the order where the instructions will run. Okay? So here's the thing. A subroutine doesn't actually do anything until it has been called. So we have to look for the line of code that calls a subroutine. The first line that calls a subroutine, ironically, it's all the way at the bottom. So here you go. It's right here. It's the line saying graphics. That is going to be the first line to call our subroutine, except this does not appear on its own. It appears within an if statement, which is if underscore underscore name underscore underscore is equal to, and in speech marks, underscore underscore main underscore underscore. Now, what does that do is the biggest question. It's actually a pre-written variable that appears within Python. It is used to recognize scripts and can be used to recognize the current script you're working in. It can also be used to run external scripts. So maybe you've got another Python file. We can use the name variable there to run that file, so that script gets run within this one. That is what that is used for. Okay. Now, when the program starts, that particular variable will contain the script for this program. So this file we're looking at right now, this code we're looking at right now, is what is stored in that variable when we start it. That file is called main, or that code is known as underscore underscore main underscore underscore. So the program is starting by saying, is the script we're working in the script that's stored in underscore underscore name underscore underscore? Is it in there? Obviously, when you start the code, it is. So essentially, to put it bluntly, that line, it was pretty much put there to confuse you in a way. That line is genuinely as useful as the white crayon. So this is obviously going to be true if underscore underscore name underscore underscore equals main or underscore underscore main underscore underscore. So therefore, when we run this, the graphics subroutine will be run immediately. So let's take a look now at the graphics subroutine.